Hills. Welcome to Tuesday's workout of the day. I've got Justin here helping me out with some demonstration while I'm incapacitated. So don't forget your warm-up, 5 minutes, and then let's go right into the strength part of today's workout. We've got an every 3 minute on the minute for 4 rounds of this. So you've got 3 minutes to complete 3 different movements, and then you'll rest the remainder of those 3 minutes. All right, so we've got, the first one we've got is deficit push-ups, 10 deficit push-ups. 2 different ways you guys can do that. First way is if you got your dumbbells, you can go ahead and hold them, and then just bring your chest all the way down, just like we do a regular push-up. If you have a box or something to put your feet on, a plate, you can also do the deficit push-ups this way. Same exact thing. Chest all the way to the ground and on up. If you guys are having a hard time with those push-ups, you can also do the deficit from your knees. You don't have to demonstrate that, Justin. We're okay. So, knee push-ups if you need to in order to complete those deficits, or you guys can just go into some regular push-ups and just try to go strict if you don't have those down as well. So 10 of those, and then we're gonna go right into what's called a seesaw upright row. So 8 seesaw upright rows. He's got both of his dumbbells, and he's just gonna row all the way up, basically to his armpits, keeping the elbow higher than the wrist, back and forth for 8 of those. From there, this is kind of a long one. We're gonna do 6. We're gonna lunge right leg, lunge left leg, and then we're gonna go into a thruster. So it's a front squat to a press above the head. One more time, Justin. All together, we got a lunge, into that front squat to that press above the head. You only have 6 of those, so you can get through this. Remember, you've got 3 minutes to complete all of those movements, and then you're gonna do that 4 times. All right, right into our workout of the day. We have 2 8-minute, every minute on the minute EMOMs today. No rest in between the 2 8-minute EMOMs, and you're gonna have about 45 seconds of work with maybe 15 seconds of a transition or rest time between your movements. So the first 8-minute EMOM, minute 1, you're gonna be doing 45 seconds of max step-ups. So if you guys have a box, you're gonna go all the way up, extend those hips, all the way down. If you don't have a box at home, you guys can use a bench, you can use a chair, just find something that you can step up, a stool, anything that you guys can use for those step-ups. So you got 45 seconds to do as many as you can in that 45 second. Minute number 2, you've got 45 seconds of max dumbbell high pulls. So you can see Justin's got the weight right on each side of the head there, and he's just pulling it up just like he did with the seesaw upright rows, but he's using one dumbbell, pulling it all the way up right below his chin. If that starts to get tiring in those 45 seconds, you can go ahead and get a little dip and squeeze your butt and and your hips just to get that little extra pull, all right? So as soon as you're done with that 8 minutes, then we're gonna start right into a second 8-minute EMOM. The first movement is gonna be 45 seconds of max air squats. We all know the air squats, driving his knees out, over his toes, hips below the knees, and chest is upright. Justin's got good mobility. My squats don't look like that. Okay, so, and then you're gonna have 15 seconds to rest, and then you're gonna go 45 seconds of a dumbbell sumo deadlift high pull. So like we did before, except for now you're gonna go from the ground. You notice his feet are a little wider, and then he shrugs up, he brings it to his hips, and shrugs up below the chin. All right, every minute on the minute, 8 times of those 2 movements, and no cash out today. So we will see you guys Wednesday.